Hey, I'm Cody and I'm going to make a review of Super Mario Bros. To the NES. You can play as 1 or 2 players. In the 2-player mode, you play against another player and you are trying to get more points and climb longer in the game than your friend. This is the second Mario game in the series, and the first game where Mario is called Mario and not Jumpman. The gameplay is very simple. You are a fat plumber from Italy jumping around in different stages trying to rescue Princess Peach. I'm going to show you the first stage in the game. When you take this mushroom, you're being bigger, as you can see. You're just jumping around and trying to get to the end of the stage. Maybe it sounds a little negative, but it's actually pretty fun. When you get 100 coins, you get an extra life. When you get the fire flower, you transform to Super Mario, and when you're Super Mario, you can throw fireballs. There is some different enemies in the game. Gumbats. Gumbats is a little brown thing. If you run into a Gumbat, you will lose your power-ups. If you not have any power-ups, you will lose a life. The same thing happening with all the enemies in the game. If you want to kill a Gumbat, you have to jump on it or shoot it with a fireball. Koopa. Koopa is a turtle. When you jump on him, he will hide in his shell. If you jump on him again, he will roll away. There is a lot of enemies in the game, but I think Gumbats and Koopas is the most important. There's only one boss in the game, but you have to fight him many times, and his name is Bowser. Before you can fight Bowser, you have to complete his castle, and at the end of his castle, he's ready to fight you. When you're fighting against Bowser, there is 2 ways you can defeat him. Number 1, try to get over or under him and press the button behind him. Then the floor will disappear and he will fall into the lava. Number 2, if you're Super Mario, you can throw fireballs after him. When you have defeated Bowser, you meet Toad and he's telling you the princess is in another castle. After Toad told you that, you continue to the second world, and the game continues. Okay, now I'm gonna talk a little about the positive and negative things in the game. I started with the negative because there isn't so many. Number 1, the graphic isn't so good, but it's okay. Number 2, I think the boss battles is too easy. There's only one boss in the game, but you have to fight him many times, but I think he's too easy every time. Okay, that was the only negative things I had to say about the game. Now I'm gonna talk a little about positive things. Number 1, the gameplay is awesome. It's so simple. Run and jump, that's it. Number 2, the warp zones. When you find a warp zone, you can warp to different worlds in the game, and it's a big help because I think the game is a little hard. So if I want to complete the game, I need to use warp zones. So they are a big help. Number 3, the music and the sounds in the game are great. Number 4, the characters are awesome. You play as a fat plumber from Italy that is trying to rescue a princess from a dragon wannabe thing. It just can't be any better than that. This is one of the best NES games ever. I would give it 9 out of 10 because I think it's a great game. So if you have a Wii or NES, I think you should buy it. Thank you for seeing my review. I hope you liked it, and I hope I see you in my next review. Bye.